This machine is suitable for cutting various office papers like A4, A3 papers. And this machine adopts PLC touchscreen control and servo motor control for fixed-length cutting. The transmission system adopts pneumatic and photoelectric sensors for integrated control. This machine integrates light, electricity, and gas, and has the advantages of easy operation, high cutting accuracy, mechanical stability, and low noise. The motor has variable frequency speed regulation, automatic count, automatic alarm and stop, and magnetic powder tension control. It can be cut longitudinally in multiple sections, and the waste edges are automatically removed by the fan. It can cut multiple rows horizontally and vertically at the same time. It can equip with a packaging machine for automatic packing. If you want to know more details, feel free to contact us. Thanks.